Alright guys, here is the installation of the MGW shifter. Comes in this very well packaged presentation here. You get the little screw collar, tool, the instructions, these are very important, and the shift knob. Now you can get these in black without this, or on the other side. And they have different ones too. They have weighted ones as well, but this is the one I picked. What you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this one. And it comes, when you buy the kit, you can purchase this to fill up this little hole. And then you're going to get this guy here. And this tool here is going to fit right in here to help you put that on. So you're going to put this down. Okay. Then you're going to get this guy. And normally, you would always screw this until it stops. However, the instructions tell you otherwise. They tell you not to tighten this, but to have this come up with the tool. So these are very important because they will not warranty this. This little guy here. So make sure you read that. And once you get to your desired angle wherever you want it, you're going to get this tool. Mine is one smaller, mine's a bit the bigger one, but okay. You're going to get it right there. And wherever you not too much. That's it. Let's try reverse. There you go. There's the original gun. Kind of like this one, but I'm curious to see how this one looks a lot better. Looks sportier. It's up to you. I'm leaving this one to the side though, but we go on a test drive and see how it feels later.